Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first you should just find here on the notification bar your screen recording icon and tap there. Right now, as can you see here, you get the settings icon. Just tap here and, for example, go to the more settings. Now just can switch off, and for example we got here the video resolution. Just tap here and you can switch your video quality to the medium, to the low, to the custom, so you can choose here what I want, and also to the high one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.